Hi, this is Mortaza from En.Hotelemoon.com. Today I have come to introduce a 3-star hotel near the holy shrine of Imam Reza. This hotel is called Monji. As you see, it is located beside famous Bazaar Reza. Okay, let's go inside the hotel. Well, here is the reception desk. This board shows the serving time of breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Here we have a cozy and a small lobby. I love the furniture color. It is time to see the rooms, isn't it? Now we are in corridor. The first room that I'm gonna show you is a triple room. Let's check what they have for minibar. Towels and safety box is in the closet. Here is the bathroom with a squat and western style toilets. The next room is a 1-bedroom apartment for 4 persons. We have 2 single beds in here. Here is the minibar. And we have a double bed in this room. This is the 2-bedroom apartment for 5 persons. I forgot to say that this hotel is built in 7 stories and it has 45 rooms. And the last room is a triple room. Check this out. It has a wonderful view to the holy shrine of Imam Reza. Well, if you agree, let's have a visit of the restaurant in -1 floor. The restaurant capacity is 150 persons. Now it is breakfast time and let's see what they have for breakfast. Okay, we have bread, butter, sesame biscuits, different types of jams. We have bologna, cucumber and tomatoes. Various cheese types. We have cream. The spoons are arranged with flair. Interesting. Here you can have your tea. We have cold beverages in here. and let's see what they have for hot breakfast. Well, the breakfast seems to be quite satisfactory for a 3-star hotel, don't you think so? In order to complete my report, I waited till noon to see what they have for lunch buffet. Together we will see what they have prepared for lunch. The lunch seems to be even better than breakfast. Especially salads and desserts are wonderful. Well, I hope you enjoyed this report. Now I want to go the distance from the hotel to the holy shrine by walking. The distance is just 550 meters and you can traverse it in about 7 minutes. As you see, there is a variety of shops along the way, which you can purchase what you need. If you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you share it with your friends. Thank you and goodbye.